Show us your love and support by clicking on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos and updates. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending upon when you're listening to this podcast. This is Kunal Sog and you have tuned into Chai Time Poetry, the second season of our very own poetry podcast, brought to you by FC Poetry Club, URF, Frowning Clowns Poetry Club. This podcast is specially designed to accompany you when you are enjoying your favorite cup of tea or an aromatic cup of coffee. If you like this podcast, please follow us on Instagram at FC Poetry Club and on YouTube at Frowning Clown. Without wasting any more time and before your cup of tea or your cup of coffee gets cold, let's take our first sip of poetry. In today's episode of Chai Time Poetry, I have with me Barnali from Assam and Ruchira from Kolkata. Their poems are exceptionally beautiful and I can't wait to have all of you hear those. Well, as I sit and record this podcast today, the world around me is battling corona. The world around me is partially in lockdown and so many lives are getting altered, affected and even unfortunately ended. We live in such difficult times that to survive, we need hope. And talking about hope reminds me of love, care, and affection. In these difficult times, love or care that you experience from your companion can actually help you stay strong and stay positive. But unfortunately, a lot of people don't know or don't feel the need of expressing love. And today, I have Barnali with me with a beautiful Hindi poem that talks just about this. So without wasting any more time, let's hear this amazing poem by Barnali.
मुझे तेरे मोहब्बत की अदा समझ नहीं आती, मुझे तेरे मोहब्बत की अदा समझ नहीं आती। नज़रें तो रोज़ मिलती है तुझसे, नज़रें तो रोज़ मिलती है तुझसे, पर उसकी ज़ुबान समझ नहीं आती। रोश में आकर अक्सर तुझसे रूठ जाती हूँ, रोश में आकर अक्सर तुझसे रूठ जाती हूँ, पर सच कहूँ तो मुझे तेरी वफ़ा समझ नहीं आती। तू कभी ज़ाहिर तो कर वो फितूर जो तेरे आँखों में है, तू कभी ज़ाहिर तो कर वो फितूर जो तेरे आँखों में है, या फिर यही बता दे तेरे दिल की रज़ा क्या है। ज़रूरी तो नहीं तसव्वुर में ही तेरी हर राज़े उल्फत बयां हो, ज़रूरी तो नहीं तसव्वुर में ही तेरी राज़े उल्फत बयां हो। हर बात इशारों में ही समझ लूँ तो बता इसमें मज़ा क्या है। इल्म है हमें तेरे एहसासों का, इल्म है हमें तेरे एहसासों का, पर इज़हारे मोहब्बत का तकल्लुफ़ चाहते हैं। तू इसे कोई हसरत समझ या समझ मेरी इल्तिजा, तू इसे कोई हसरत समझ या समझ मेरी इल्तिजा। हम तो बस दीवानों की तरह तेरे होठों पे अपना नाम चाहते हैं। अच्छा सुनो ना, जानती हूँ शब्दों में उलझना अच्छा नहीं लगता तुम्हें, अक्सर कहते हो तुम वो मोहब्बत ही क्या जो लफ्ज़ों में बयां हो जाए। तो फिर ये बताओ, क्या ये मुमकिन है कि रात हो और चांद तारे उसकी गवाही न दे, या फिर क्या ये मुमकिन है कि दिन हो और सूरज की रोशनी अपनी मौजूदगी का इशारा न दे। नहीं है ना, नहीं है ना मुमकिन। अब तुम ही बता दो, मेरी इजहारी वफ़ा का उम्मीद रखना गलत है क्या। वो बेगरज परवाह जो तेरे आदतों में है शामिल, उसे शब्दों में बयां करना गलत है क्या। जो बात जहन में है उसे लफ्ज़ों का शक्ल देना गलत है क्या, गलत है क्या। और अगर ये सब गलत है तो वो महताब भी गलत है, तारों का ये नूर भी गलत है, और अगर मैं गलत हूँ तो वो आफताब भी गलत है। और अगर मैं गलत नहीं तो आज भरी महफिल में ये बता दो ना, परवाह तो बेहिसाब करते हो, इश्क है तुमसे, ये जता दो ना, जता दो ना.
Barnali, this is such an amazingly written poem. And what makes it even more impactful and relatable is the way you recite it with utmost expressions and emotions. Great job done. I just love this poem. But I would like to know what actually inspired you to write this piece.
What inspired me to write this poem? ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं है, but yeah, I have seen lots of people, lots of couple indeed, and they are breaking up just because they are feeling that they are not getting enough love from their partners like before. They are feeling unloved actually. So a question struck in my mind कि क्या हुआ? Why? After this many years of relationships, what happened actually that they felt like that? So maybe this is not the correct answer, but yeah, I personally felt that there's a lack of expression nowadays. Now, like the people forget how to express their love. Maybe this is the ego or something. Maybe they have busy schedules and all. But yeah, it's very important to express your love toward your partners. It gives some kind of emotional support even, and in this kind of situation, yeah, it's very important to show some love, show some care to your loved one. So next time जब आप अपने partners के साथ हो, then just say them that yeah, मैं हूँ तुम्हारे साथ, and just tell them, just express your love, and just tell them that how much you love them and how much you care for them. Yeah, that's it.
Well, yes. Even I wonder what makes people separate after a long relationship. I don't think I have an answer to this question, but the only thing I would encourage everyone is to practice expressing love. If you love someone or if you care about someone, please express it. This will make the other person feel special, content, and complete. But talking about expressing or the necessity of conversation or waiting for love actually reminds me of a poem written by Ruchira. In this poem, she talks about the waiting period that we all go through in our lives, or the few conversations that we all just remember forever and cherish forever. Without wasting any more time, let me present you this amazingly written poem by Ruchira.
Waiting, or conversation with the beloved. Looking for you in this great stillness of ours, as if I will find you if I turned the covers. I have got so many things to tell you, so many stories in my head. The castles of ice giants in the far north, the forest in rain where the river leaped in a symphony of a million songs as we held hands. The smell of wet bark and soil sharp on our skins, so alive and full in that instant. An evening walk through the streets when the light hid more than it said, like a page of history that lays out the facts but steals away the warm beating of a heart. I was chasing the street signs, hoping for doors, but the language was unknown, as it often is in dreams. Do you remember that night we crossed a bridge in a city sunk in enchanted sleep under a sky of sun and moon, and stars that had faded in that twilight sheen? There were other worlds hidden beneath that air, waiting to happen. Words waiting to be born. Everywhere I went, you were always with me, searching for mirrors where we would find ourselves. If only we could remember who we were, perhaps we would know how to live.
Well, it's so beautifully said. We all are indeed waiting for that mirror that will help us find ourselves. We all are waiting for those conversations that we can save in our pages of history. Thank you so much, Ruchira, for this lovely poem about love, about waiting, and most importantly, about the conversations that we have with our beloved. But I would like to know what actually inspired you to write this poem.
This is a poem about waiting and searching for the ideal love, our own ideal self, that perfect experience of being that I believe most of us look forever throughout our lives.
Well, the search for the answer for our being is endless. Thank you so much, Ruchira, for such a lovely poem. I hope everyone who is listening to this podcast and to your poem finds the one true reason for their existence and finds the mirror that helps them discover themselves. Well, that's all in today's episode of Chai Time Poetry. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed creating this podcast for you. Let us know if you like us as your Chai Time companion. Hope to see you again next time with some more amazing poetries and with another comforting cup of tea or coffee. But till then, I urge you to please follow us on Instagram at FC Poetry Club and subscribe to our YouTube channel Frowning Clown because it's free of cost. Please do comment and let us know how you like this podcast, and do not forget to like and share. And until I meet you next time, please keep smiling and let the clown do the frowning. Bye-bye.